Kung Philippine passport holder ka at gusto mong mag-apply ng US Tourist Visa, ito yung exact step-by-step that I personally followed and what actually worked for me. Based ito sa personal experience ko as a Philippine passport holder applying for a B1, B2 tourist visa. Step 1 is filling out the DS-160 form. Ito yung online non-immigrant visa application form. Dito mo nilalagay yung personal details mo, travel details, work details, and other information. Ang pinaka-importante dito is dapat accurate and consistent ang details mo. Step 2 is paying the visa. After that, make sure na tama ang process at may copy ka ng payment confirmation mo. Step 3 is creating your profile, scheduling your biometrics, and consular interview. Sa experience ko, magkaiba yung date ng biometrics and interview ko. Step 4 is preparing your documents. Before your appointment, i-prepare mo na yung passport mo, confirmation page mo, appointment confirmation, and any supporting documents na gusto mong dalhin. Step number 5 sa mismong interview, ang ginawa ko lang was to keep my answers direct, honest, and consistent with my DS-160 form. Hindi ko in-over-explain. Parang having a normal conversation lang, pero dapat clear and confident. What helped me? Sa tingin ko, ang pinaka nakatulong sa akin was my stable job. And the fact na consistent ang answers ko sa details ko sa DS-160. What I thought I needed. Akala ko dati, sobrang daming kailangang proof or sobrang laki dapat ng bank account. Pero sa tingin ko, mas importante pa rin yung consistency, honesty, and kung paano mo ipepresent ang sarili mo ng clear. So, quick recap. First is fill out the DS-160 form, pay the fee, schedule your appointments, prepare your document, and be consistent in your interview. If gusto nyo next ng separate video for DS-160, interview questions, or exact timeline ko, comment nyo lang kung ano yung gusto nyo mauna.